grilled chicken. It's burned. It's our first time to do this camping.
And then raining.
Do you like it?
1, 2, 3.
What can you say?
Late nights. Hi guys, we're going to Bintudoh.
Bintudoh camping.
We're doing camping. We will do overnight there.
It's our first time.
First time. I'm far. Of my small family doing this camping. I'm far, mommy. Yeah.
Another activity.
With Ate Jinky there. Say hi, Ate. Hi, Ate. How about Ella? How about Ella? We're doing camping. Are you excited, guys? Yay! I'm so excited. So see you guys there. Bye. Bye.
I still remember that to put it
You know how to put before? So you have idea?
before I always hiking and then we overnight on the big side.
We're in Indonesia.
Right? You have to video head of you have to there's a video.
It's part of the documentation and the process. They said if we don't know, we can call them.
Again. Yeah.
Wow,
Like
finish.
this only.
Very easy. It takes time for us. Ah, there's map.
Here, Bintudoh, sudah.
So it's big also.
What, no? Different drive, ah. With the wind. Like this only, yellow. Ah, yeah.
Simple.
Template.
This kind of
Not like in the kampung. You have to put wood. Ayan, sudah.
like that. No here.
No, on top.
Top?
But I don't know.
Oh.
That's why it should be with the oil or something. This one cannot burn.
It will burn little by little.
Wow, many minutes, you know, 1 hour will burn.
Others and then. So it takes time.
Yeah, should be.
Basta ito done na to by starter. So here's our tent. It's only a small tent, can fit 2 to 4 person. We rent it as $10. So it's enough already for the small family.
Amazing.
So we're starting now to grill for our camping here in Bintudoh. We have to grill for our dinner.
Yes.
We have these chicken wings,
And chicken wings.
corn, banana,
Banana.
and marshmallow. Of course, marshmallow.
Marshmallow sa bata.
Hotdog.
Hotdog
Hotdog as well.
and fish ball.
Wow. I hope we can eat
On time.
time because see, our flame is not so. It's raining, but still we'll manage to do camping under the shade. We're thankful because we're the only one who do chicken. It seems we own the whole resort. This is the output of our grilled chicken. It's burned. Burned chicken wings. See, it's black. Because the fire. But it's yummy. Yes, it's almost finished. Almost cooked. It's jumping. The fish bowl, what happened? Burned. Burned.
Hi. Come on.
This video.
Umbrella in the back.
Sweet corn. So what did you grill?
Banana and the corn.
Grill charcoal.
Because all burned. Burn corn. Burn banana. All burn.
Hindi like this one, no? Parang may mahangin lang.
Nagugustuhan
The
yung
kids
mga
will
bata.
really enjoy for this because they think that this one is like what is it in English?
It's opposite side, no? The nanay is grilling, the tatay fixing the bed. I know, it's
So the
cute.
bed is ready.
Okay, sleep na.
So, dapat i-closer to
Okay, we're done assembling our tent. It's very hard
Is it?
because we don't have any idea how to fix it. It's our first time to do this camping and
And then raining. That's why indoor.
we're so unlucky.
Wala, may-
Indoor camping because it's raining outside. So we have no choice. We have to fix the tent inside the with the wall, with the ceiling. The food is ready. It's almost finished. Cooked already.
corn na lang.
Only the corn left. It's grilled corn. What did you see? It's camp tent. It's a tent.
Saan si Naeni?
Lakad-lakad lang muna doon. You like it? You want to sleep there inside?
Put your bag inside. Where?
Inside the tent. You have to sleep
Jing,
there.
tanggalin mo, Jing.
Remove your shoes.
Yung bag lang mo. Inside. There's a stick on it.
See? It's a little house. It's a play house. Little house.
One, two, cheer. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay. Ah.
That's it.
Si Gopita. Gopita, chicken. Sit down. Yan. Sit.
Isa pa. Okay.
Smile.
1, 2, 3. Smile. Waki-waki din. Okay. Isa pa. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
The time now is 6:20 p.m. And it's time to eat for our dinner.
Yay!
We have this special barbecue. We have chicken wings barbecue, but it's burned. And we have the hot dog, corn, and banana. See? It's time to eat. Now,
It's hot.
that is special glove. Chicken wings, my favorite. Hot dog, but it's burned. Where's our sauce?
Walang sauce.
Okay, it's time to eat. It's nyaman. Nyaman.
Parang mangyasal.
Chicken?
Oo.
I will sit down.
Tama din. Kylie! Why you crying? You eat hot dog. You like the tent?
Yummy, yummy.
You don't like the tent? Danish.
Yes, you like the tent. Don't wanna go out.
Go out.
Hila, you eat chicken. Ella, you eat chicken. Is it yummy?
Yummy. You ask her if her mouth is full.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. So what can you say? May, what can you say about this resort? That's Diane. Naeni, what can you say about the place? Is it? Jinky, what can you say about the place? Speechless. Do you like the tent, Danish?
Yeah?
Is it? You want to play inside?
Yeah.
So, you really enjoy this one?
Yeah.
You jump because you like it.
Now look at she's inside.
Yeah. Like we're in the double place, huh?
Yeah, it's like we own this own resort. Whole resort. It's private.
Two of them are coming out.
So, it's amazing place.
Why, where are you going? You go inside first. Let's see the back.
Here first. 1, 2, 3. Hey? Ella. Ella.
Actually, you don't. Ella, look at here, Ella.
1, 2, 3.
Very good, Ella.
Very good, Ella. Pose in the camera.
Dito. This camera.
1, 2,
Smile, Ella.
3.
Look at Tito.
What do you grill, Danish?
Marshmallow.
Is it nice after it's cooked? You like it?
You stay inside the tent.
So this is our tent. Only a small tent can accommodate how many person? Like 4 persons. Big grill marshmallow. They said it's delicious when it's cooked. You taste it, Dani.
No, it's hot. Come on, here, come on. Mommy, this is rolling. Like this.
Wow.
This is for
It's melt.
melted marshmallow.
Melted marshmallow.
It's yummy.
So it's put in the cracker. You taste it, Dani. Taste it. You eat.
Mommy, can I eat it, Mommy?
You eat now. Can. Okay.
Like Ryan.
Oh, what can you say?
Thank you.
Wow, it's melting in your mouth. See? It's like rubber.
This one is done. It's burned. Oh, it's nice. Nice. Done.
Okay.
Still a half.
And
Yeah, still a half.
put in the biscuits.
Put in the biscuit
Make it a sandwich.
and ready to eat.
It's like pizza. There's like the mozzarella cheese. Yeah.
Nakaka-addict. Matamis lang.
So sticky. Yummy, sweet. Just now I know that marshmallow can do like this. It's amazing. It's like magic because I don't even think that you can melt the marshmallow through grilling and put it in the crackers.
Thanks, Daddy.
Yeah.
Tita.
Have a long,
Bye-bye.
have a happy trip.
Bye!
Thank you for coming. It's night time already, so it's time for the kids to... They will play before they sleep. So, they're still active. It's already 9 p.m. Ayla is still active and Kyrie. See? They cannot stay each other. They're always playing, always jumping and running each other. Danish, what you're doing? What's that? What's that? Superman? Okay. Sing Danish and Ella. Kyrie. Huh? Ella and Kyrie playing? Chasing each other? Danish? What you're doing? Kyrie! Where's your mommy and your daddy? Huh? You look. You play with Ella. Ella, stand up. Stand up.